Alright, this is the end of our eating adventure. Foster
tasted the food. He ripped up about 5 potato fries.
I think he's telling us he's done now. Hey, Fozzie! And Sage has just pretty much been doing this. Hey, Sage! Do you want to taste your sweet potatoes on video?
You can have your brothers.
Oh my goodness, look at all those potatoes. Oh, there you go. You just needed more on your plate? Can you taste it? What does it taste like? Is it stuck on your hand? Is that stuck on your hand? Good job. Oh, you got some on your lip. Babe, she likes it.
You got it?
Yeah, she got some on her lip.
She's smiling about it?
I think she's going for more. It just broke.